Butterboards are a new trend in food concepts that have gained a lot of popularity in 2023. Let's dive in. Make sure you smash that bell notification to get our 2023 food trending videos. They are essentially boards that are used for serving butter along with a variety of other complementary foods. The boards are typically made from natural materials like wood or stone and feature sections for different types of butter, as well as other condiments and accompaniments like honey, jam, nuts, and fruits. The reason why butterboards have become such a hot trend in food concepts is due to their versatility and aesthetic appeal. They offer a unique way to present and enjoy butter, and also allow for a range of flavor combinations and creative pairings. Butterboards are perfect for serving as appetizers or snacks at social gatherings, and they are also a great addition to brunch or breakfast spreads. In addition to their visual appeal, butterboards are also seen as a healthier alternative to traditional butter dishes, as they often include plant-based options like nut butters or avocado spreads. This has made them particularly popular among health-conscious consumers who are looking for delicious and nutritious ways to enjoy their meals. The popularity of butterboards can be attributed to a growing interest in food presentation and Instagram-worthy food experiences. With social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok, people are increasingly interested in creating and sharing visually stunning and unique food experiences. Butterboards offer a way to do just that, with their rustic and natural appeal, and the opportunity to showcase a range of colorful and flavorful ingredients. Another reason for the popularity of butterboards is their ability to cater to a range of dietary restrictions and preferences. Many butterboard recipes are plant-based, gluten-free, and dairy-free, making them accessible to a wider range of people. This inclusivity has made them a popular choice for events like weddings and parties, where hosts are looking for menu items that will satisfy all guests. In addition, butterboards can be customized to suit any occasion or theme, making them a versatile addition to any food concept. For example, a spring-themed butterboard might feature fresh berries and edible flowers, while a holiday-themed board might include festive spices and seasonal fruits. This customization allows chefs and food enthusiasts to experiment with flavors and ingredients in new and exciting ways. There are many different types of butterboards, each with their own unique features and benefits. Some butterboards are designed for serving individual portions, while others are larger and are meant to be shared. Some boards have compartments for different types of butter, while others are more simple and feature only one type of butter. One popular type of butterboard is the charcuterie board, which is a large wooden board that features a variety of meats, cheeses, fruits, and other snacks, along with butter. These boards are often used for entertaining and are a great way to offer a range of flavors and textures to guests. Another popular type of butterboard is the breakfast board, which typically features a range of breakfast items like toast, bagels, croissants, and other baked goods, along with a variety of butter spreads and toppings like jams, honey, and nut butters. These boards are perfect for lazy weekend mornings or for brunch gatherings. Some butterboards are even designed for specific occasions, like the holiday-themed boards mentioned earlier. For example, a Halloween-themed butterboard might feature black and orange crackers, spider-shaped butter pats, and pumpkin-shaped cheese spreads. Regardless of the type of board, butterboards are a great way to add a fun and delicious element to any meal or gathering. They offer endless possibilities for flavor combinations and creative presentation, and are sure to impress guests and food lovers alike. Overall, butterboards are a versatile and delicious trend that are likely to continue gaining popularity in the food world. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, incorporating a butterboard into your menu is a great way to add some visual flair and delicious flavors to any meal. Overall, the rising popularity of butterboards in 2023 can be attributed to their versatility, aesthetics, and health benefits. They are a great addition to any food concept and are sure to be a hit with foodies and health enthusiasts alike. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share our latest food trending videos.